We have made it to the other side of the worm's head. Yeah. Come on, Bonnie. Make it to the other side. Come on. Well done. Good job, good job. Come on, Lorna, you can do it. Bonnie! Bonnie's down! She's down! Bonnie's down!
I had to tie up my shoelace.
Okay.
My shoe just fell off.
Come on! You can do it!
I'll go backwards now. Oh my god!
Come on!
Holy cow!
Touch the sign!
I can't.
Go and kiss the sign!
Oh, yeah.
Come on, you can do it!
I know how you feel. Holy cow!
She wanted an adventure, play pickleball, and now we're outdoors walking in Rhossili. There she is. She wanted me to kill her, but killing her is too easy. Gotta make him suffer first. Beautiful. Take your time on here, it's fine. Let's go!
Are you ready?
She's done well today. Pickleball 2 hours. Then we come to Rhossili. Went for a walk along the beach, but now we're right on the other side, on the worm's head. Bonnie is leading the way, followed by a close second. Oh, Lorna's just there. You can do it! Look at that beautiful view from the other side of the world! Bon bon! Oh, that's easy. On the edge of the world. That is far away. Jeez. Yeah, but no, yeah, you can't stay here. I've got to go back. Ladies, you can do it! You can do it! Beautiful. Heading back to civilization. Still go across Dead Man's Cliff. Look at that. You can do it! Oi, 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 oi. Come on, ladies! You can do it! And the wanderers return from their epic journey to the end of the earth. Congratulations on your achievement.